Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word rhythm. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The drum beat provided a steady rhythm for the dancers to follow. Rhythm refers to a regular and repeated pattern of movement or sound, often creating a sense of flow, harmony, and synchronization in music or dance. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.